Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shweta Sehgal, consultant dental surgeon and endodontist practicing in Delhi. I hope you all are safe and at home. Today I'm going to tell you about dental complications seen in patients post-COVID recovery. Yes, you heard me right. Dental complications post-COVID recovery. Many patients are being reported all over the world, especially those which are known as long haulers, the ones who have been admitted in hospitals for weeks and months. They have been reported with a lot of dental complications, and the complications can range from weakening of teeth, sensitive teeth, greyish color teeth, dry mouth, ulceration in the mouth, COVID tongue. 25 to 30% people in Spain have been reported with COVID tongue. And what is a COVID tongue? A COVID tongue is a phenomena in which we see bumps, like kind of swellings on the tongue. There is burning sensation in the tongue, and there is ulcerations too. This is known as a COVID tongue. You won't believe 82% people who have been, this is a study which has been done by American Dental Association, and they have reported 82% people who have been found COVID positive were vitamin D deficient. See, all these things are linked. Firstly, the most important thing which I want to tell you is this COVID virus does not only affect a particular part of your body. It plays havoc with the entire system. So you need to take care of all kind of warning signs happening in your body. So what all dental warning signs can I tell you are sensitive gums, bleeding gums. Why do bleeding gums occur? Because when this COVID virus enters your body, it kind of induces a cytokine surge. Cytokines are basically inflammatory molecules which are produced in a body. So it causes a surge, it upshoots them, and this also affects our gums. Later on, when the patient is fine, is RT-PCR negative, the COVID is gone, but this immuno response takes time to get back to its normalcy. So patients report with sensitive gums, bleeding gums, sensitive teeth. It also plays a lot of havoc with the enamel. That's being reported. One more thing, 35 to 40% patients have been reported in America with some kind of alterations happening in the quality and quantity of saliva being produced by the salivary glands. And the saliva is very important and integral part of the oral cavity. Dry mouth has been reported. Why dry mouth? One point, salivary glands are being affected. Second point, we have been wearing mask a lot, and when we wear a mask, intentionally, unintentionally, we tend to breathe from our mouth and not from our nose, which is causing this dry mouth problem. Dry mouth again affects our teeth. So it's a vicious cycle we have got into. One thing I must tell you, even today, even after fighting for the virus since past 1.5 years, nobody knows anything about this virus. We all are struggling. There are new studies, new reports coming up after every few weeks, every few months, and we are finding new things happening to people. So whatever symptoms or sign, again, one more study has happened in which it has been proven that people who have not been maintaining good oral hygiene are more susceptible to having post-COVID complications, dental complications. So it's very important that you maintain your oral hygiene well. Change your toothbrush. That's a very important thing. Please change your toothbrush and tongue cleaner after you are recovered from COVID. Ulcerations in the mouth that are also being seen. So there are many things, many dental things happening in the patient. The most common are bleeding gums, sensitive teeth, cracked teeth, greyish colored teeth, mobile teeth. The teeth are loosening up, ulcerations in the mouth, COVID tongue. Please, if you have any such symptom post COVID recovery, consult your dentist. It is not something to be ignored. See, in COVID, one rule which we all have understood is the earlier you get the treatment, the lesser the chances of having any kind of complication. The more you ignore it, the wilder it will become and it will kill you. So don't give time to this virus to overpower your immune system. Just fight at the very beginning. Whenever you start having any such symptoms, please report to your dentist. Please seek doctor's opinion. Don't treat them as normal bleeding gums, normal signs, and stay at home. See, I know I have been listening to so many people, hearing so many stories that nowadays everybody has become a doctor. स्टेरॉइड शुरू कर देनी चाहिए, अब ऑक्सीजन कम हो रही है, ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर शुरू कर देना चाहिए. नो, प्लीज डोंट बिकम अ डॉक्टर योरसेल्फ. देयर आर many doctors available even today who are there to help you out, who are working day and night for you. But seek a doctor's opinion. Don't try to treat them on your own. You will just fail and complicate the entire thing more. And with folded hands, my request to all of you, please get yourself vaccinated. That is the only thing we can do today to fight this war. This is nothing but a war by a small tiny virus on the human mankind. Please don't ignore any dental symptom, any other COVID, post-COVID recovery symptoms that you face. There is one more thing which has been coming up on a rampant pace, which is called black fungus, mucormycosis. I'm not going to discuss mucormycosis in this video. I'll put one more video for that because it needs a lot of attention from everyone today, because it's an entirely deadly disease that's been coming up, and many patients have started reporting. So please, if you find any such dental symptom happening in your mouth, please report to the dentist. There is one particular ACE2 receptor which is commonly found in the oral cavity, in the nasal cavity, which is the point where the virus starts attacking. It has been reported in n number of journals and publications. So I hope you all will take care of yourself, stay at home and eat good food, exercise daily and just take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.